Hi everybody, Cherish the Messy Painter here, and as you can see I have two witches hats because Halloween is right around the corner and I could not wait to do these. They are both wooden cutouts. I bought them at Joann's. I actually bought these last year and I've already gessoed them and sanded them both down. It helps with the wood texture so it doesn't come through. One of them I'm going to be spray painting and then doing a fun hocus pocus theme. And the other one I will be doing a flip cup with some purples and some really cool orange and some black. I'm going to do the flip cup first and then you will see the spray paint design. So let me mix up my paint and here we go. Okay, as you can see I've mixed my paint. I have this really cool purple. This is these two colors mixed together. It is Pearl Royal Purple by Arteza and Purple Master's Touch. I mixed in this Pearlescence mixing medium by Sargent Art. I got this on Amazon. I will put the link down below in the description if you're interested in it. I believe I've seen this at Jerry's Artorama also. However, I haven't made a trip there in a while, which is really good for my wallet because that place is dangerous for me. I have this Blaze Red Gold Interference by US Art Supply that I also bought on Amazon. It comes in a giant set. If you are interested in this set of these iridescent colors, I highly recommend that you jump on it now. The price has been going up over $5 every month. When I first bought this entire set of I believe 12 colors, might have been 10 colors, was only $18, is now up to $39. But this is really cool paint. This is what the orange looks like. It's really cool. And then we have the black by Artist Loft, and then I have my gold 24 karat, and I am ready to go. I think at the beginning I might have said that this was going to be a flip cup, and it's not. It's actually just going to be a pour. I can't really do a flip cup. I could, but I don't want to waste any paint and do like 3 or 4 flip cups. I'm just going to do a pour and see what happens. This is going to be my abstract hat, and the other one will be more determined with my Cricut and making stencils. This is just for fun. I love this purple color. And when I ordered this, I just knew I had to do the purple and make this hat shimmer. So I'm ready to go. So I really enjoyed this process so much. I think I'm gonna do the second one right now and end up doing a pour on the second one. I just love these colors together so much. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'll sand and do another one for the spray paint design. So now I'm doing 3 hats. Can't help it. I love this. I really like that area. I'm not gonna touch that because what happened was the gold and the orange mixed together and it just looks so cool. All right, so I'm gonna take this one and put it to the side and put the other one over there. Okay, hat number 2. I have decided that I'm not gonna use the gold. I am just gonna use the purple and the orange and the black. Thinking about adding silver. I think I'm gonna add some of the Amsterdam Pearl Violet. I don't know if we'll be able to see it, but we'll see what happens. All right, so here we go. Okay, I got a little crazy with this pattern. I definitely got crazy with this pattern. Now, I used the same cup and there's some gold right there, which is cool. I don't care. It's fine. This pattern is definitely crazy. That's all the purple iridescent pearl. So we'll see if it comes through. I'm gonna do something I never do. We'll see what that does. This one is definitely different than the other one. All right, so stay tuned to see how this one dries and then the other one. And I am getting ready to spray paint the third one. Good thing I have extras of these. All right, let's hope these dry. Wish me luck on how these are gonna dry. And my mess is pretty much contained. I scraped up the leftovers from the last one so that I didn't waste any paint. Like I said, I really love this orange interference blaze red that I bought a while ago. So I'm gonna torch it real quick and that will be it. Okay, while those two dry, I will show you the third one. What I did with this one is I just spray painted it purple. I completely cheated. I did not even gesso it. I actually like the wood grain showing through with this one. I don't know if you can see it. And then I waited for it to dry. I think I waited only about an hour, maybe even only 45 minutes. Like I said, I completely cheated with this one. And then I sprayed glitter. I will show you the glitter that I used. This is the glitter that I used. It is from Montana. I really love all of their spray paint. I got this one from Jerry's Autorama. It's pretty much wherever I get my Montana cans from. I do occasionally get a few from Amazon, but I really love my Montana cans. This glitter does not clog. A few of the other ones do that I've tried. The Rust-Oleum glitter sometimes does clog, and it's a real pain in the butt to clean out. But this is my favorite so far. So now I'm going to go to my Cricut and I'm going to cut out a design and make a stencil and spray my next layer. Stay tuned for that. I love how this came out. I did do one similar to this last year. I didn't have the black flame last year though, so I think that one is adorable. And I think this is going to look awesome on my front door. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. And now I'm going to show you the two dried straight pours that I did. So here are the dried results. They are wicked cool. I'm not even gonna, these are just, what is wrong with me today that I just cannot talk? They are dry, they are wicked cool. I'm very, very happy with them. I love the shimmer. I had originally wanted to do a band here, and instead I changed my mind and just went with the gold look, and I love it. This almost looks like, to me, like maybe like a little bit of magic dust here, but that's my imagination. I love how they came out. They each have a layer of Grumbacher spray varnish on them. This one with all the swirls, and then a little bit of the orange right there. Got a little bit of cell action going on, and up here too. Oh, so cool. And then this is the Pearl Violet. This is the Amsterdam Pearl Violet, and what it did was it didn't sink in and it still showed up, so it looks like a really pretty pale violet. It's very pretty. I'm really happy with these. They're wicked cool. I might even hang up one on my window and then one on my door. And then the other one that I did, I'm happy with, is this one. So I'm thrilled. They all came out great. I'm really happy. This was a fun project. I'm definitely going to do more like this, and stay tuned. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. I have a lot of fun projects coming up. I just recently bought confetti paint. Oh, so cool. So, see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.